Here we've got CUBOT X30, and let me show you how to activate emoji suggestions on the following device. At the very beginning, you have to open the settings, then find and select System, go to Languages and Input, and click on Virtual Keyboard. Now select the Gboard and go to Text Correction. And right here under Suggestions, you will find Show Emoji Suggestions. So to have it active, just mark the switcher, and once the indicator is active, once it's fulfilled with color, it means that this feature is on. Then if you would like to turn it off, if you would like to deactivate it, just click here again. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.